drinks. We came with Joppe to do some barbecue. This was a short enough trail round trip that we can do with puppy dogs. And yeah, we're going to barbecue some sausages, so you know, welcome along. Let's go.
aka the Forests of Rovaniemi, a nice hiking trail famous for berries and mushrooms. It is the mushroom season. It's been raining a lot. You can already see the autumn leaves. Let's explore the neighborhood.
Trail that we're walking now is marked with the red marks on the trees. As you can see, it's pretty obvious. So, and the markings are pretty often as well, so it's pretty easy to follow.
I am the guardian of the red trail. It's time for a nice hot chocolate moment. What do we have here? The house of a mouse. No, this is where you can store your food, or so that the bears don't eat you. firewood you need, and barbecue station. How's that coffee moment treating you?
Very nice.
Joppe, how's your mouse moment treating you? Tässä sun mouse. Tässä sun mouse moment. We just enjoyed a nice barbecue moment. Now it's time to hit the trail. Are we ready to hit the trail?
Let's hit that trail.
So the rumor is that there's a nice spring water pool just around the corner. So let's see what that freshness is all about.